So, you want to repair a Bluetooth device that your iPhone has previously forgotten? I got you. For iPhone users in the USA and worldwide, connecting Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers is a daily activity. If your iPhone has forgotten a device, you simply need to pair it again like it is new. First, and most importantly, put your Bluetooth device itself into its specific pairing or discovery mode. Consult the device manual, if unsure how, as this step varies. Then, on your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Your iPhone will scan for nearby discoverable devices. Wait for your Bluetooth device to appear under the Other Devices list. Once you see it, tap on its name. Your iPhone will then attempt to pair with it, and you might need to confirm on the device or iPhone if prompted. After successful pairing, it will show as connected. And that's it.